Are you tired of feeling like your evenings slip away without any real purpose or fulfillment? After a long day at work, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of mindless scrolling on your phone, binge-watching shows, or simply zoning out in front of the TV. But what if you could transform those precious hours into something more meaningful and productive? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 things you can do to stop wasting your evenings after work and reclaim your time. Imagine turning your evenings into a time for personal growth, creativity, and connection. Whether you're looking to develop new skills, foster relationships, or simply unwind in a more fulfilling way, we've got you covered. Each of the 5 strategies we'll explore is designed to help you make the most of your evenings, ensuring that you wake up feeling refreshed and accomplished rather than drained and regretful. We'll discuss actionable tips that are easy to implement, regardless of your schedule or energy levels. From engaging in hobbies that ignite your passion to establishing a routine that promotes relaxation and mindfulness, these ideas will empower you to take control of your evenings. You'll discover how to create a balance between productivity and leisure, allowing you to enjoy your downtime without feeling guilty about wasted time. So, if you're ready to break free from the cycle of unproductive evenings and start making the most of your after-work hours, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your evenings into a time of joy, growth, and fulfillment. Let's jump right in and explore the top 5 things you can do to stop wasting your evenings after work. Number 5. Write a to-do list for tomorrow. Writing a to-do list for the next day is a simple yet effective way to set yourself up for success. This practice ranks at number 5 because it lays the groundwork for a productive day ahead. By jotting down your tasks, you create a clear roadmap that helps you prioritize what needs to be accomplished. The act of writing itself can be therapeutic, allowing you to declutter your mind and focus on what truly matters. A well-structured to-do list not only keeps you organized but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you check off completed tasks. This method is particularly beneficial for those who often feel overwhelmed by their responsibilities. Unlike higher-ranked strategies that may require more time or energy, writing a to-do list is quick and can be done in just a few minutes before bed. What sets this practice apart is its accessibility. Anyone can do it, regardless of their schedule or lifestyle. It serves as a gentle reminder of your goals and commitments, helping you transition from the chaos of the day to a more focused mindset for tomorrow. However, while it's a great starting point, it lacks the deeper engagement and fulfillment that higher-ranked strategies offer. In comparison, the next item on our list emphasizes not just planning but also reflection, allowing for a more holistic approach to preparing for the day ahead. While a to-do list is essential for organization, it doesn't necessarily encourage personal growth or creativity. The higher-ranked strategy fosters a deeper connection to your goals and aspirations, making it a more enriching experience. In summary, writing a to-do list for tomorrow is a foundational step that helps you gain clarity and direction. It's a practical tool that can enhance your productivity, but it's just the beginning of a more fulfilling evening routine. Stay tuned as we explore the next item that elevates your evening planning to a whole new level. Number 4. Engage in a productive hobby. Engaging in a productive hobby ranks at number 4 because it offers a delightful blend of relaxation and personal development. Hobbies such as painting, gardening, or learning a musical instrument not only provide an escape from the daily grind but also allow you to cultivate new skills and express your creativity. This dual benefit makes it a fulfilling way to spend your evenings, transforming idle time into something meaningful. One of the standout attributes of engaging in a productive hobby is the sense of accomplishment it brings. Unlike passive activities like scrolling through social media, hobbies require active participation, which can lead to a greater sense of satisfaction. Whether you're perfecting your brush strokes on canvas or nurturing a thriving garden, each moment spent on your hobby contributes to your personal growth and well-being. Moreover, hobbies can serve as a fantastic stress reliever. They provide a much-needed break from work-related pressures, allowing you to immerse yourself in something you genuinely enjoy. This immersion can lead to a state of flow, where time seems to stand still and your worries fade away. However, while engaging in a productive hobby is enriching, it may not always provide the structured approach that higher-ranked strategies offer. In contrast, the next item on our list emphasizes not just engagement but also intentional reflection, allowing for deeper insights into your personal goals and aspirations. While hobbies are fantastic for creativity and relaxation, they may lack the focused planning that can help you align your evening activities with your long-term objectives. The higher-ranked strategy encourages a more comprehensive approach to personal development, integrating both creativity and reflection. In summary, engaging in a productive hobby is a wonderful way to enrich your evenings, offering both relaxation and skill development. It's a step up from simply writing a to-do list, as it actively engages your mind and spirit. Stay tuned as we unveil the next item that takes your evening routine to even greater heights. Number 3. Limit screen time and social media. Limiting screen time and social media ranks at number 3 because it addresses one of the most significant distractions in our modern lives. In an age where our devices constantly vie for our attention, setting boundaries around screen usage can dramatically enhance the quality of our evenings. This practice encourages mindfulness and helps reclaim precious time that might otherwise be lost to endless scrolling and passive consumption. One of the key attributes of limiting screen time is the mental clarity it fosters. By stepping away from screens, you allow your mind to unwind and engage in more meaningful activities. This break from digital distractions can lead to improved focus and creativity, enabling you to dive into hobbies, read a book, or even engage in deep conversations with loved ones. Unlike the fleeting satisfaction of social media interactions, which often leave you feeling drained, this practice promotes genuine connections and personal growth. Moreover, reducing screen time can significantly improve your sleep quality. The blue light emitted by screens interferes with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. By limiting your exposure to screens in the evening, you create a more conducive environment for relaxation and rest, setting the stage for a productive next day. However, while limiting screen time is essential for mental well-being, it may not provide the same level of engagement and fulfillment that higher-ranked strategies offer. The next item on our list emphasizes not just the reduction of distractions but also the cultivation of intentional habits that align with your personal goals. While cutting back on screens is a crucial step toward a healthier evening routine, it lacks the proactive approach that the higher-ranked strategy embodies. In summary, limiting screen time and social media is a powerful way to enhance your evenings, promoting mental clarity and better sleep. It serves as a vital step in reclaiming your time, but it's just the beginning of a more intentional and fulfilling evening routine. Stay tuned as we reveal the next item that elevates your evening experience even further. Number 2. Create a structured evening routine. Creating a structured evening routine ranks at number 2 because it serves as the backbone of a productive and fulfilling evening. A well-defined routine provides a sense of stability and predictability, allowing you to transition smoothly from the hustle of the day to a more relaxed and intentional evening. This practice not only enhances your productivity but also promotes mental well-being by establishing a rhythm that your mind and body can rely on. One of the standout attributes of a structured evening routine is its ability to create a sense of accomplishment. By setting specific activities to engage in each evening, whether it's reading, exercising, or preparing for the next day, you cultivate a sense of purpose that can significantly boost your mood. This intentionality transforms your evenings from a chaotic free-for-all into a time of reflection and growth. Moreover, a structured routine can help you prioritize self-care. By allocating time for activities that nourish your mind and body, such as meditation or journaling, you create a sanctuary away from the stresses of daily life. This focus on self-care is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing burnout, making it a vital component of a healthy evening. However, while creating a structured evening routine is incredibly beneficial, it may not delve as deeply into personal reflection and goal alignment as the top-ranked strategy. The next item on our list emphasizes not just structure but also the importance of aligning your evening activities with your long-term aspirations. While a routine provides a solid framework, the higher-ranked strategy encourages a more profound connection to your personal growth journey. In summary, creating a structured evening routine is a powerful way to enhance your evenings, providing stability, purpose, and self-care. It's an essential step in transforming your after-work hours into a time of productivity and fulfillment. Stay tuned as we unveil the top item that takes your evening routine to its ultimate potential, aligning your activities with your dreams and aspirations. Number 1. Set clear goals for the evening. Setting clear goals for the evening ranks at number 1 because it serves as the ultimate catalyst for transforming your after-work hours into a time of purpose and achievement. By defining specific actionable objectives, you create a roadmap that guides your activities and ensures that your evenings are not just a blur of unproductive time. This practice empowers you to take control of your life, making each evening a stepping stone toward your larger aspirations. One of the most compelling attributes of setting clear goals is the heightened sense of focus it brings. When you know exactly what you want to accomplish, be it completing a project, spending quality time with family, or dedicating time to personal development, you can channel your energy more effectively. This clarity eliminates distractions and helps you prioritize what truly matters, allowing you to make the most of your limited evening hours. Additionally, having clear goals fosters a sense of accountability. When you articulate your intentions, you are more likely to follow through on them. This commitment not only enhances your productivity but also boosts your self-esteem as you check off completed tasks. Unlike a structured routine, which provides a framework, setting clear goals adds a layer of intentionality that drives you toward specific outcomes. In contrast, while creating a structured evening routine is essential for maintaining balance and stability, it may not inherently inspire the same level of motivation and direction that clear goals provide. The next item emphasizes the importance of structure, but without the specific focus that goal setting brings, it can sometimes feel more like a checklist than a meaningful pursuit. In summary, setting clear goals for the evening is the most powerful strategy for maximizing your time and enhancing your overall well-being. It transforms your evenings into a purposeful journey, aligning your actions with your dreams and aspirations. By embracing this practice, you not only reclaim your evenings but also pave the way for a more fulfilling and productive life. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored the top 5 things you can do to stop wasting your evenings after work, empowering you to reclaim your time and enhance your overall well-being. We began with number 5, where we discussed the importance of writing a to-do list for tomorrow, a foundational step that helps you organize your thoughts and priorities. Moving up to number 4, we highlighted the value of engaging in a productive hobby, which not only fosters creativity but also provides a fulfilling escape from daily stressors. At number 3, we emphasized the necessity of limiting screen time and social media, a crucial practice for mental clarity and improved sleep quality. This was followed by number 2, where we delved into the benefits of creating a structured evening routine, offering stability and a sense of purpose to your evenings. Finally, we crowned number 1 as setting clear goals for the evening, the ultimate strategy for transforming your after-work hours into a time of intentionality and achievement. Each of these strategies plays a vital role in reshaping how you spend your evenings, allowing you to transition from a state of mindless activity to one of purposeful engagement. By implementing these practices, you can cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling lifestyle, ensuring that your evenings contribute positively to your overall well-being. We encourage you to explore these featured items further and consider how you can integrate them into your own life. Whether it's crafting a detailed to-do list, diving into a new hobby, or setting clear goals, each step you take can lead to significant improvements in how you spend your time after work. As you move forward, remember that the power to transform your evenings lies in your hands. Take action today and start making the most of your after-work hours. Embrace the journey of personal growth and fulfillment, and watch as your evenings become a source of joy and accomplishment. Your future self will thank you for it,